Hi guys, that's a strange feeling. I will have to take a break of YouTube for 6 months to work seriously on another project for my family. And so I'm sorry, I will keep posting the video I already did, the one that are already processed and ready for publish. But just letting you know, after that, I don't plan to do any new video until in 6 months. So that's why you that are Patreon, please stop immediately the payment. Quit Patreon because I won't publish in the next 6 months. It's impossible. I need to work on something important for the future of my family, and sometime you have to do what you have to do. That's it, guys. Have a great day, and until next time, happy growing.